Hi, my name is Chuck.
Frank.
Diana Crodell.
Colby Christian.
Charlie Koff. Paul Bundy. So my first impression of the carport was it was spectacular.
The word that popped into my head was wow.
The quality of the building's fantastic, and it went up in, I think, 2 days. It was insane.
Man, this is awesome. Did not realize just how large it was going to be.
I call it my bullet lab. This is where I'm going to be reloading ammunition and working on my guns.
When they first finished it, I was looking at how well it was put together.
Quality of the product definitely exceeded my expectations.
And that was a big deal to me, was being able to design it online.
For me, the online designer was really key, being able to sort of visualize and see how it was going to work out.
I designed it online with their website. You can adjust the size, the colors, everything right there on the website.
I've already recommended Allen's.
Highly recommended.
I would recommend Allen's factory to anybody in the world.
I would definitely recommend Allen's.
No, I'd absolutely recommend Allen.
I would recommend Allen's outlet.